How to fix Samsung screen not turning off. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix if your Samsung screen has not been turning off recently. So what I'm talking about right here is if I just lock my screen right here, if I turn off my screen, but as you can see my screen is not completely off, it's showing my date and time. So it's technically not completely off, but if I go ahead and open my lock screen, it's a different thing as well. So it's not completely turning off, so screen is not on the black state when I turn it off. So this is because your always on display is turned on. What you need to do is open your phone settings, and if you scroll down you will see your display settings, so just tap on it. You won't be able to find anything right here. What you need to do is if you scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD, which means always on display, you will find your always on display setting right here. And once you go inside here you will see when to show, so just tap on it. It's set to always. You can set it to tap to show. So what this will do is the always on display will only show up when you tap the display. So what I'm talking about is if I lock my screen, it's now completely locked, and when I tap my screen once, the always on display will pop up, and if I unlock my screen I can use it normally. And one more thing that you have to notice is if you go back here on your settings and open your security manager, tap on more security settings, and if you tap on device admin apps, you just have to make sure that only your Find My device is turned on and none of these other apps should be turned on, because if they are, they might be causing the screen to not go off. And that's how you can fix your problem. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.